Good morning, children. I think all of you going well. Be safe by applying COVID-19 restrictions. It's our duty to be safe and help others to become safe. Okay, now come to the point. Let's start our basic science class. Now, look at the painting. What a beautiful piece of art, isn't it? There are beautifully dressed village women who collect water from a public well. It's a public well, 5 women fetching water at a time. 2 of them returning with their water pots, and one is trying to lift the water from the well. Can you see this image in your village or near to your home now? What is the way of collecting water in your home? Collecting from the well like this or using a tap like this? Whatever it may be, but the process is same. Am I right? That is, the water is transferred from the well to the tank. In the first way, water is transported by the human being. In the second way, water is transferred to the tank with the help of an electric motor. In our home, there are a number of instruments or devices that are used to lessen or minimize our efforts. These instruments replace the use of manpower, isn't it? Now, this is our first activity. Let's make a table. The first column of the table is the effort of man, and the second column is the way how we reduce this effort. So complete the table like the example that has been done for you. Okay, now the first column is effort and the second column is the way that reduce the effort. First example, using a rope and pulley. As in the case of water, we use a rope and pulley. In the second column, the way that reduce this effort is by using an electric motor, isn't it? Just like this example, complete at least 5 examples. Okay, and thus complete the table. Do you ever lift water with pulley and rope? Do you know how to do it? We have to work hard to lift the water, isn't it? That activity needs power. Who gives this power or strength to you? I know that you may say that it's your body or it's your muscles. Am I right? Just think, you avoid your food and water for 2 days. You are under starving for 2 days. You don't have anything to eat or drink. Now, do you have the strength to lift the water? You will be so tired that you cannot even walk. That is the food that gives you the strength to do your activities. How food get these powers? You already studied in the 5th standard about the process of photosynthesis. Green plants can absorb carbon dioxide, water and sunlight, then they can prepare their own food. This process taking place in chlorophyll molecules. As a result of photosynthesis, 2 products are formed. Which are they? Do you remember? They are glucose and oxygen. Do you remember these points that you have studied in the 5th class? The glucose or food prepared is used by the plants, and the balanced food is stored in the different plant parts such as fruits, roots, stem, etc. This food is used by all other organisms including human beings, so that our food is formed as a result of a chemical reaction, isn't it? This way our food gets power, and by eating this food we also get strength. This strength is used at the time of doing our activities. This strength or ability is needed to do the work. The ability to do work is called energy. Energy, it is the ability to do work. Do you heard that word energy? What are the examples of energy? When we use a stove in kitchen, it makes heat. By using this heat, we cook food. So heat is also a form of energy. That is heat energy. We learned that our food is the resultant of a chemical reaction. So the energy contained in our food is chemical energy. It's another form of energy. We know that light is a form of energy, light energy. So here comes our activity number 2. List out the energy names that are familiar to you. Okay, activity number 2. List out the energy names that are familiar to you. When energy applied, it makes a change. For example, when we apply heat to water, it will boil. So it changes the property of water. This change that happens related to different forms of energy is our second chapter. That is the unit 2, the essence of change. There is a picture in the first page of our unit that is seen in your screen now. Okay. What are the activities depicted there? Did you see the activities there? A man is ploughing the field. A jeep moving with announcements. A street light is on. Children are playing. Ducks are swimming. A motor pump is working. Can you identify all of these activities from the picture? Can't you? So now you have to complete the table given in page number 18 of your basic science textbook. This page is on the screen. The first column is the context in which the energy is applied. And the second column is the form of energy used. Complete the table and read your textbook up to this table. Okay. It's enough for today. Rest in the next class. Okay.